I was looking at the report. I think almost 56% of CFOs said that AI and automation is going to be their top financial priority. Yet, ironically, 43% admit that AI is making cloud cost harder to measure. There is a hidden cost of AI itself. Token cost can pile up very quickly. Is there a hidden AI tax that organizations are walking into with their eyes open? While yes, automation, AI, it seems to be low-hanging fruit, seems to be very exciting. But what are the things, what are the lessons we can learn from the cloud era that even here, just the way unchecked cloud-based code not only was killing ROI, we can make the same mistakes with AI as well.
No, I agree. I think once again, right, making sure that you have your cloud layer and your cloud spend under control and running efficiently with accurate and clearly defined outcomes is important. AI can just sort of compound the problem, right? I think what we're going to find is the companies that are focused on their cloud cost optimization will have an easier time of adopting and getting adoption from their employees, their AI tools. You'll also see that they'll free up dollars to be able to more quickly invest in AI. And so I think they're completely linked. I actually think just like there's a whole industry around trying to help companies optimize their cloud costs, I think the same thing is going to happen with AI, right? And so you have to start with your cloud costs, make sure you understand them, make sure that you're spending for real outcomes, and that will help you to be able to implement and get traction with AI.
I think the only difference between AI and other is that AI can actually help you also to figure out how to think. I mean, we use AI to solve the problem that AI creates here as well. So that will happen. If you look at in general, when you look at how enterprises are responding to rising cloud cost, at the same time, they also want to invest in AI, but we also hear, of course, that costs also climb up. Are we looking at something called quick fix band-aids, or we should look at long-term solutions, which could be re-architecture, which is more optimized for AI, more for automation, more for efficiency, performance, leaner, smaller teams, also, which is also ready because AI world is changing so fast. New technologies are coming so fast, OpenClaw or MCP. So there is more predictability, being able to move faster, and also being able to use all those latest technologies.
Yeah, there's a lot there, and I'd say, as I said earlier, I think there's a couple of stages of getting ready and preparing yourself and doing better at managing your cloud costs and optimizing. One is I put it in sort of the consumption and commercial bucket and some automation tools, right? There's a lot of automation tools out there. The cloud vendors provide them. There are, spot solutions that are very good that are used, but that really doesn't give you anything more than just visibility and automation. What you really need is go to the application layer. Companies that are focusing on tuning their Java runtimes and modernizing their applications and their Java environment are the ones that are going to get the biggest return. And by doing that, it's more pervasive, and you're actually investing in something that takes action, right? If you think about a lot of the tools in sort of phase one of FinOps that you're using, it's for visibility, governance, accountability. Where you can really take action is something that is going to help you to make your application layer run more efficiently. And that is pervasive and material. And that is actually what Azul is very, very good at. We have many customers using our solutions to achieve that level of FinOps excellence.